how to permanently turn off live photos on your iPhone 8 Plus so they don't turn back on every time you open the camera app. Let's get started. First, open the camera app. At the top of the screen, tap the live photo icon. It looks like a set of concentric circles. When the icon has a line through it and the word Live Off appears, live photos are disabled. If you don't see the live photo icon, make sure you're using photo mode. Now, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Camera. Next, tap Preserve Settings. Here, turn on the toggle next to Live Photo. This tells your iPhone to remember the last live photo setting instead of turning it back on automatically. Now, go back to the camera app. Make sure live photos are turned off one final time, and your iPhone will continue using that setting whenever you open the camera. And that's it. That's how you can keep live photos permanently turned off on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone 8 Plus tutorials.